Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue while launching the game GTA 5 Enhanced version. You got an error of Rockstar Games Launcher exited unexpectedly. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. Head over to Settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any kind of update is pending at your end, choose the option Download and Install. Nextly is you need to update your BIOS, and to do so, scroll down and click on the option Advanced Options. Now here, click on the optional updates. Now expand the driver update, and if there is kind of BIOS update is available, simply select it and choose the option Download and Install. Else you need to update it right from the official website of your motherboard manufacturer. And thirdly is, if you are using OneDrive, go ahead and uninstall the OneDrive because it is not properly synced with your system, and that's why it is giving you the error of Rockstar Games Launcher exit unexpectedly. If this simple steps doesn't fix out the issue, let's proceed with the next step. Second step is just a trick to fix out this issue. Click on Start menu and type Rockstar Games Launcher. Now click on the option Run as Administrator. Once the launcher is started, here is the trick. If you are using internet, go ahead, click on it and simply turn off your internet. After turning off the internet, you will get this particular error, offline mode. Now once the launcher is in offline mode, you can see whenever I click on the profile icon, I am already signed in. After signing in, make the launcher in the offline mode and then launch the GTA 5 into your PC. As soon as you launch the GTA 5, it will be able to launch and you will not be able to get the error. Once the GTA is launched properly, you can again go ahead and reconnect your internet to fix out the issue of Rockstar Games Launcher exit unexpectedly. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to C drive, Program Files. Here you will find a folder Rockstar Games, Launcher, and here Redistributable. Open Social Club folder. You need to install Social Club manually. So simply right click and choose the option Run as Administrator. This will go ahead and install the Social Club launcher into your system. Once the Social Club is installed, close this folder. Now in next step, again launch the Rockstar Games Launcher. But make sure this time simply click on this icon. Do not launch the game in the administrator mode. Simply click right over here to launch the Rockstar Games Launcher in the normal mode. Now as soon as it is asking you to permission, simply choose the option No. Repeat the step 3 to 4 times and the Rockstar Games Launcher will be able to launch, and then once it is launched, you will be able to play the game without the issue of Rockstar Games Launcher exited unexpectedly. If this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, go ahead, open up your browser, and here I have a website 1.1.1.1. Go ahead and download this Cloudflare VPN into your system. Save it into a PC. Once downloaded, click on the Cloudflare to install this Cloudflare VPN into your PC. Simply proceed with the on-screen instructions. Once the Cloudflare is installed, in this bottom right corner, proceed with the on-screen instructions, accept the terms and conditions, and once this option is enabled, go ahead and toggle it on. Now it is connected. Now go ahead and relaunch your Rockstar Games Launcher and then GTA 5. The issue of Rockstar Games Launcher exited unexpectedly will be completely fixed out by now. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.